Reinhardt, Roadhog, Soldier 76. Luciano992 here, and we are back in Overwatch. Hey guys, was it here? And what we're gonna do today? We're gonna be using Soldier 76, guys. I do have to admit something though, guys. I recorded this video before, and the file got completely lost in my computer, so I have to. I'm remaking the video, guys. Sad face, but. Man, it was such a good video last time too with Soldier 76. Normally when I ever do remakes, it's not as good as the original. Let's hope this one's different though. So it's going to play and do a quick play. Again, guys, I apologize for losing the original copy. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I think it was when I was cleaning out my computer from piling up on old videos, and I accidentally deleted that the one I was trying to keep. Oh well. Yeah, I guarantee you guys all the rest of the videos this week are completely fine. They're there. I'm not going to be deleting any videos for any time soon. So yeah, it should be good. Let's go and do Soldier 76 though, guys. Man, it was such a good video. I was going on a really cool kill spree too. Oh well. This video is being recorded the day after it is supposed to be uploaded because I was occupied with the Ark Survival Evolved editing and trying to do off-camera work on Ark Survival Evolved. Ark Survival Evolved is a game that takes a lot of off-camera editing for me, guys. So. Hope you guys accept the waiting, because I'm gonna be uploading 3 videos today. This one, the Halo 5, and the Ark video today. I should probably upload the smaller version, so it's probably gonna be Halo 5 first, and this one, then Ark, because Ark is a really long video. I don't intend them to be for like 2 hours long. I intend them to be at most an hour and 10 minutes, but I accidentally made the one's coming up 2 hours long by accident. But though it's a good video though. I did a lot of work, a lot of progress on that video. Because I feel like I can't do much progress unless I show it on camera, unless it's like base work, which I've been doing off camera. That's been what I've been doing a lot of. Yep. Scratch my nose real quick. The Zenyatta. Missed. You can catch up to Zenyatta. Got Roadhog right there. Oh, okay. We got really hurt. Ah, Honzo right there. Where does Zenyatta come from, though? What? Okay. Interesting. I need healing. Oh, we're not gonna die this time.
Quit till the fight's done.
Okay, I got her. Got Honzo.
Stay on target.
Yes. So she's down. Ah! Zenyatta and Willsmaker got me right there. What happened right there was Zenyatta got me down with the anti-healing beam, and then Willsmaker got me with the snipe, which is pretty much an instant kill right there. Man, I wish it was right behind Reinhardt when they couldn't do that. Oh well. Okay, we got that.
Commence attack on objective B.
Sitting helipod. I missed. Zenyatta is being a pain in my butt. Got someone with that.
I've got you in my sights. Sweet.
Double kill.
I think that's gonna be play of the game right there, guys. That's throwing healing pod down.
I am taking objective.
That turret's getting a little annoying. There we go, turret down.
Enemy turret destroyed.
The maker's almost down. Ah, what? Who killed me? Ah, okay. I'm guessing he used his LT ability, which is like the charge attack. I wasn't paying attention, I guess, but we did get killed there. That's pretty interesting. And the other one was so much better than this one. I'm so disappointed. But we didn't get play of the game though. It was pretty surprising, but we did do a lot better than this. It was only for one game though, but we did really good on.
Victory.
Let's see.
Play of the game.
Ah, we didn't get play of the game either. Come on. Did she get like a quadra kill right there? Yeah. She got 4 kills, so she got 1 more kill than we did. Man, that's what happens. Whenever everything you do a really good job, someone's gonna want to up you all the time.
Excellence.
Yeah, there's Indiana was really good. He kept on killing me a bunch of times. I think he's pretty much the only one that was really killing me, besides Honzo one time. And Willsmaker. But he was there for both of those times too. I don't know. Okay, moving on to the next game, guys. Again, guys, don't mind, please like and video, subscribe, but comment down below, and thank you guys for members of our channel. Again, guys, you guys don't do any of that. You guys are amazing people. I'm not gonna beg. Kind of am begging technically, but you guys are beautiful people, and again, I hope you guys continue watching my channel. If you guys don't mind, try to tell you guys for members about my channel. Let's try to go for like the 3 subscribers again this week, like we did last week. Sadly, so one of our subscribers did desubscribe last week too. We did gain 3 new ones though, so that's good. We're up to like 24 subscribers. That's awesome right there. Let's try to get I'm gonna try to get up to like 27 this week. Oh, are we in a scrimmage match? What's going on, man?
My ultimate is charging.
Yeah, we're in a skirmish. That's why I was being attacked. I don't know what's going on. Okay. She's down. Okay, we're leaving that game. None of the players find a game. Ah, mercy. Okay, found a game.
Traveling to Dorado.
Dorado, eh? You know, technically Mexico is technically my other half country. I am half Mexican, so yeah. My ancestors came from Mexico.
Select your hero.
Yeah, I'm half means Mexican, half means technically American, but it's not really a race. It's white, but that's still not a race, but it's still half white. I'm also part German, part Irish, part Mexican Indian, part Spain. Or Spanish.
I want to know what America's been up to.
What else? I said German. I did say Irish. Yes? Or I don't think I know any other ones. That's all the only ones I can think of right now.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Look at that handsome doll right there. That's totally me. Nah, I'm just joking. I think I missed. I think I jumped the gun right there.
Payload secure. Move out. Get over here and heal up. Damn it.
Ah, I got triple teamed right there. Man. Okay, that was our first step this game. Let's see if we can do better.
Sniper,
Knock me
ten
down
cuidado.
and I'll keep getting back up.
We didn't get anyone though.
I have taken the
The guy's in kind of a bind right here.
on the payload. Move it out.
No, you don't. Man, that tracer was pretty good. She almost got me right there, and I had the advantage. Let's go and heal up.
Payload's on its way. My ultimate target.
Oh, I forget his name right now. Zenyatta? Yeah, Zenyatta. With the direct LT ability. That gotta hurt. Missed. Oh, an ultimate. Oh, not ultimate, an LT ability. Oh. That hurt. That's pretty much an instant shot right there. He hits all this aura things. Oh, we're almost back in the fray.
Hey, check in.
And for a large group of them to just come in before I start using this. I forget how powerful Bastion is. 3, 2, 1, I'm in.
No rest for the weary.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Yeah, she's down.
More with me. Team, heal up here.
There we go. She's down. Oh, Bastion got hurt really bad right there. Sorry, Bastion. I'm not gonna let you be a jag right there.
The payload is on the way.
Bastion found another way to be a jag. There we go. Come heal up.
I've got you in my sights.
Payload's on
Out
its
of
way.
my way, or I'll
Woohoo!
Sniper, ten cuidado.
should have
Die, why don't you? Huge. You guys see how much kills I just got right there? And this might not be a bad video at all. I mean, this is actually pretty good. We didn't do two. You didn't do. Well, we did 2 good games, but I think we did 3 good games.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
I just hit him directly with that ability.
pass into the iris.
Let's get out of that. One heal. Let's go and reload. down.
Come here and get stabilized.
It's nothing personal.
Team kill.
Sniper, get your head down. We'll lose it.
Ah, Junkrat. Come on, Junkrat. 3, 2, 1. I am back in the fray.
Payload is approaching its destination.
There's a couple of solutions to 6. He has pretty much unlimited sprint, which I like about that. He needs to get back into the fray pretty fast. And it looks like we just won. Did we get play of the game? Come on. Did we get play of the game? I want to play of the game so bad. Come on, man.
Play of the game.
Ah, come on. Man. Yeah, it's really hard to get a play of the game these days. Let's see. Don't tell me a 5-shot? No, 3-shot. Wait, didn't we just get 4-shot though? That made no sense. I'd get it if it was a 4-shot, but I don't get it.
Epic.
It's nice to be appreciated.
Okay, we got 2 gold medals, not bad. Almost level 32. Let's move on to the final round. Yeah, if you guys have any comments for me or any questions, put that in the comment section down below. Again, guys, I'm always looking for comments for my channel. Any criticism, I always look for that, and I always try to improve my channel as best I could. For instance, I always bring this guy up because he's pretty much the only one that's ever really put out a comment, a criticism comment for me, and that would be Willen. Willen put a really cool comment down saying like, "Oh, you should probably take out the black parts of your videos." I'm like, I'm sorry, dude. I'm still trying to figure that out. I'm willing to take out those black parts. I'm definitely going to at one point, but I don't know how to do that with my recording software at this point in time. But yeah, I'm gonna do it once I figure that out. I'm not sure how to do it though.
This was the
Dorado, onward to Dorado. Just looking to do all the kinks and crannies, or you say it. The best spots to be at.
30 seconds.
Watch this. Hi.
Hey,
What's his email anyway? I have on him. Okay, sending him straight.
my ultimate is charging.
5,
I've still got it.
3,
That's his voice line right there.
attackers incoming. Stop the payload.
Get that rat. Oh no, you don't. Or is there? Oh, I just cracked that kill. Alright, dude. And something to do some, I guess. Sorry, mate. I think she's right there somewhere. Right there.
See you later.
Ah, missed. Ah, she got me. And I almost got out of there. Dude, grabbing a lot of assault, a lot of tanks right now. No, just Warthog. Okay, it must be the same things then. I thought I saw like a Bastion or something in there. No, they're really progressing really close into here.
The payload has reached.
No, you don't. Oh, you don't. No, you don't. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Much
Very well, good. Sorry, Zenyatta. Junkrat's down. Zenyatta's down. No, okay, so they have a diva. That's a tank. Must have seen that. Yeah. She's out. There we go.
Man on a mission. Stay out of my way.
He's out.
Get over here, Kayla.
Freeze! Don't move! Damn it!
I've got you in my sights.
Oh, I barely got out of that.
Patched up.
That's gonna heal up.
Got you in my sights.
Ah, I didn't know there was a back entrance right there. Man. That's why you gotta learn the map, guys, a bit. And
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up.
we're on a really good roll right there, too. There's a Bastion right there. No, you don't. Oh, we got a kill right there. He's down. He's down too.
¿Qué tal?
No, you don't.
Freeze! Don't move!
I've got you in my sights. Resistance neutralized.
Ha! Almost got another kill right there, guys. Oh man, that was good. Okay, let's go over here. Man, we're on a really good killing streak.
Not dead yet.
This is not a bad game either. It looks like we do really good with Soldier 76 too. Man, we're going on a really good killing streak. This almost makes up for the last video.
Activated!
She's running. Ah, come on. Come on, I need to get my head in the game. I need to get my head in the game. Ah, yeah, come on. 2, 1, and we're back in the fray.
The war goes on.
We're pushing hard right now. Really hard. I should dodge all those bullets.
All systems out.
Got you in my sights.
Ah, I got killed by Diva. Come on. And we got a lot of kills right there too. How many kills? You have 22 elimination in this game, guys, and we got 5 deaths. So we're doing positive by 2 this game. No, not by 2.
Over yet.
By 17, guys. Not 17, 12? 12. No? I can't really do math right now. I'm focused on the game. Let's see. Do that. Yeah, 17.
Experience tranquility.
No, you don't. Ah, okay, I got killed. It was worth it though, making sure that they didn't get advanced anymore. 2, 1, and I'm back in the fray.
The war goes on.
He's down. He's down too.
I need healing.
No, you don't. That's
I've got you in my sights.
ooh, double kill right there, guys. I got killed. I was dead either way right there, guys. Oh, at least we got 2 kills right there. And we got a hit off. 30 kills, and we're doing positive by what?
For the weary.
Not even
60
sure.
seconds remaining.
23? Yeah, 23. Jeez, guys, we're going positive by 23. We got an assist right there. She's down. Ah, too bad. I should probably throw down the healing pod. Oh. Genji's another good character against Solar Sim 6 too.
Gotta win.
Back in the fray.
For the weary.
Gotta hold off for 16, 15 seconds.
10 seconds remaining.
He's down. We win, guys! Whew. See who got play of the game.
Play of the game.
Ah, come on! None play the game. No love. No love for the Blizzard here. Come on. No love. Man. I've gotten triple kills this game, guys, haven't I? That makes no sense right there, man.
Epic.
Mighty fine.
No love, no love. 34 eliminations, come on. Best kill streak, 14. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Wow. 34 elimination, 11 objective kills. 9,216 damage done. It's a lot. Oh well, guys, that'll be end off the video for this game, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, guys on my end, please put a like and video, subscribe, comment down below, and tell you guys for my channel. Again, guys, you guys are amazing people. Hope you guys continue watching my channel, and that's all I can really say. So please subscribe if you're new to this channel, and have a good one, guys. I hope you have a good Wednesday tomorrow. Pretty much be it. So see you guys, and a big old peace.